Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi had said, best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Welcome to RD National College, one and all. My name is Dr. Vijendra Shekhawat. I am one of the NSS program officer at this college. Today I am going to tell you few things about a very important program, National Service Scheme. National Service Scheme is a program run under the aegis of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. This is world's largest youth organization, having around 40 million students on board. National Service Scheme was started in India in 1969. And under this scheme, volunteers contribute to community services. At RD National College, we have one of the most vibrant unit of University of Mumbai with around 250 volunteers, 3 NSS program officers and 6 associated faculty members. The objective of NSS is to understand the community in which we live and we work. NSS also makes you acquainted with what is your role in any particular community. As a person, a very important personality factor is empathy quotient. NSS helps you to develop that empathy. Today I will try to explain few of the things which NSS does. In NSS, you have to complete 120 hours of service, and these 120 hours are divided into 4 different types of projects. One project is college-based project, where you carry out some community-related activities designed by the college. In another section, you have to complete 20 hours of university service. These projects are designed by university. And then you have to complete 2 projects of 40 hours each in the area where you live or the areas where those have been adopted by our college NSS unit. Besides this, you have to complete a 7 days rural residential camp. This camp not only makes you aware of rural life, but it also gives you an opportunity of group living and to interact with villagers. Now, major themes under which NSS works are adult education for school dropout people, education to underprivileged, environmental enrichment, disaster management, various types of awareness projects, how youth can help organizations like police, BMC and many others to undertake their community projects. We also work for gender parity and women empowerment. One of the major NSS theme is rural development. We also work towards heritage conservation. These are just few projects and few themes. You can also pick your own theme if you wish to work. Then there are certain flagship programs organized under NSS. These programs are designed by university, state and national authorities. One of such program is National Integration Camp. The photo you can see is from NIC, National Integration Camp, organized as Guwahati. Then number of adventure camps are organized at national level where you can go and participate. These camps are generally organized at Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh, northeast areas of the country, etc. One of the most important aspects of NSS is that you are trained in disaster management. We every year organize a state level program that is called as Ahwan. Selected students, they can go and get trained and become part of our Honorable Chancellor's Brigade. Then another important activity that is organized at national level is National Youth Festival. If you are good enough, you can also participate in this. Then through NSS, you can also participate in National Republic Day Parade. You can also participate in State Republic Day Parade. Youth Parliament is another important activity of NSS that is organized at state and national level. I will also touch upon different themes under which we work. One of the important theme is environmental enrichment, where we work for the environment, its conservation, plantation, pollution prevention activities and other awareness programs. Similarly, we try to help tribal students. Last 4 years we are providing them stationery through our Garbage for Fast Salvage project. We also work towards democracy, awareness on election process. We also help students to get their voter ID registered. Now we all know that blue water is limited and there is a pressing need to conserve our water resources. Therefore, one of the important activity of NSS is water conservation projects. Then we also help in disaster management. The pictures you can see are from Shangli Flood Relief Program, where our volunteers extended help to 3 villages. In ongoing COVID regime also, our volunteers are helping underprivileged people to get their food material, etc. We have also provided our BMC staff with face shields. We have also done the sanitization work in the rural areas, especially in slums. And then we also organized a number of community kitchens in this area. We also help police and other organizations to manage the disasters. We try to reduce the panic under such circumstances. We manage traffic. Another important activity is the cycle rally for biodiversity conservation. Yoga is also one of the major themes we are working on. In last 3 years, we have trained more than 10,000 students in yoga. Similarly, we also work to help tribal people. One of our major project is addressing malnutrition problems in these areas. We try to develop community kitchen gardens. We also try to establish schools to carry out some infrastructure work in the schools. We also organize a number of poster and other competitions to create awareness on different issues. We also have adopted the famous Bandra Fort for conservation purpose. Every year our students carry out activities like plastic prevention, cleaning, and also making people aware not to deteriorate the things over there. Beach cleaning is another regular program we carry out. One of the major activities of NSS is personality development. NSS gives you opportunity to meet different senior people from different areas. They not only tell you on how to pursue your career, they also tell you the key life skills required to become successful in life. Another project that is on our priority is Mission Indradhanush. Every year our unit reaches to more than 20,000 children for pulse polio immunization. Similarly, we also work in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Our focus area is prevention of diseases like dengue, malaria, swine flu, etc. Now in this picture you can clearly see that students are carrying out anti-mosquito drive in one of the adopted areas. Similarly, gender parity is also one of the major theme of NSS we are working on. We also organize a number of programs on road safety awareness, plastic prevention. We have also established a number of libraries in different villages which can be used by children. We also regularly carry out Swachh Bharat Abhiyan activities. Blood donation camps in Mumbai, there is a huge demand of blood. We organize 8 to 10 blood donation camps at several places in Mumbai. We organized 2 additional rural residential camps also, one during the monsoon at the Western Ghats and another is for life skill development in the month of February. Again, this camp is organized at Western Ghat. Now in NSS, what you achieve besides 10 marks in your even semester examination, you develop good amount of competence to live in the community where you are living, and you can also become more aware of your responsibilities towards society and community. You also gain skills how to mobilize community and how to participate in the community work. You also acquire leadership qualities and democratic attitudes, because in NSS you can organize, coordinate a number of projects. This also helps you to develop abilities to deal with emergencies, crises and disaster management. And this also helps you to develop a feeling of or a sense of national integration and communal harmony. So thank you so much for your patience, hearing and time. We look forward to welcome you in the NSS unit of RD National College. You can join NSS through the link given in your e-prospectus, or you can write me a WhatsApp message on the number given here. Thank you so much.